Hello again, and now we're on to our Learn It's for this week. We're finishing off our doubles this week, and just like in the counting video, I've got a little bit of arty maths at the end to make this all good fun, okay? So we have been working on our doubles. This week, I'd like you to do this double song. It actually doesn't go just up to 20, it goes up to double 11 and double 12. It goes up to 24. But it's a really fun song and we were enjoying doing it in school last week. So you start off with that. The link is on the website as well if you need it. Okay, so come back to me when you're ready. Now, how are you getting on with writing out your doubles? You should be able now to get up to our very last double, 10 add 10. And some of you might even be able to get beyond. Now, this is what I really want you to practice doing this week. Knowing your doubles in order, knowing that the answers are the multiples of 2. You are counting in twos. And that is really going to help you find the answer to any double you need. So you practice that, please. Now the last one that we're doing is 10 add 10. 10 add 10 equals 20 is the last one you need to know off by heart in year 1. And we already really knew that because we already knew that 1 add 1 is 2. So 1 10 add 1 10 is 2 10s. And that means 10 add 10 equals 20. So this is one of the easiest doubles you need to learn, isn't it? Let's look at our bar model. We've got 10 add 10 equals 20. We then have 20 take away 10 leaves 10. And 20 take away the other 10 also leaves 10. We can also see from our model that half of 20 is 10. Double 10 is 20, half of 20 is 10. We can write it out. 10 add 10 equals 20. 20 take away 10 equals, oops, what have I done there? Just look at that. Can you see what I've made, what mistake I've made? Let's just sort that out, shall we, right now. There we are. I was typing too fast. 20 take away 10 equals 10. Now, for It's Nothing New, all we're going to do for this week is think about putting that into hundreds. If we know that 1 add 1 is 2, and 110 add 110 is 2 10s, what about 100 add 100? It has to equal 200. Now, because we've been counting in hundreds in class, I thought we'd put our doubles into hundreds as well. So if 100 add 100 is 200, 200 take away 100 is 100. Maybe some of you, for a really big Red Hot Chili challenge, could practice putting all your other doubles, those ones, into tens and hundreds too. Now, I promised you a little bit of arty maths as well. So what I'm wanting you to work on is writing out your doubles. Keep practicing that. Can you continue the pattern? What about 11 add 11 and 12 add 12 that we did in the song earlier? Could you go further to 13 add 13? Now the arty challenge is, can you set this out using objects? Now I've just got some pictures off the internet, but you can see that I could go out in my garden and do this. 1 daisy add 1 daisy. 2 dandelions add 2 dandelions. 3 leaves add 3 leaves. And this is a really good way of visualising your doubles. Last week in school, we had spiders. We were studying spiders. So we did doubles with spiders. The legs, of course. 8 legs add 8 legs is 16 legs. We even had 3 spiders, 4 spiders, and we were finding out how many legs all of those would have. Anyway, you go and have fun making out your doubles. And then the other thing that I've got for you is a game. Now, the board for the game is also on the website, or you could make your own. And in here, we've got all the multiples of 2 up to 12. And what you've got to do is get 1 die each and some crayons for colouring in. You take turns to roll your die. So if I roll a 3, I then double my number. 3 add 3, double 3 is 6. And then what you've got to do is get a crayon. I've got a green one there, and you think, oh, double 3 is 6, so you colour in your 6. Then the other person could have a different colour. They roll a die, maybe they roll it onto the number 2. 2 add 2 is 4, double 2 is 4, so then they have got to colour in a 4. Now the winner is the first person to colour one row with their colour. Okay, so you have fun with that game. Don't forget to make your patterns as well and practice writing out your doubles. So you have fun with that and I'll see you later. Bye.